Deleting an invoice. So let's go into our invoice module and select all so we can view all of our invoices. Now let's say we need to delete one of these invoices. As an invoice acts as a folder that keeps transactions all in one place, we cannot just simply select and then delete this invoice. I'll show you an example. So let's click on this invoice right here, and up in our toolbar we select delete. It says we want to delete, we say yes, and then it comes up with some errors. It's telling us that there's two journal registers, one wire transfer and one cash transaction, all within this invoice. So we can't actually just delete it. So how do we do that? We need to actually open up an invoice. Let's take this one for an example. And then on our toolbar, hit edit. And we need to individually delete each line item, each transaction within that invoice. So we select that, and then we click on delete row. Okay. And again, we do the same. Delete row, and okay, so now the invoice is empty. There's no transactions within that invoice. And then we click save. It's coming up with an error saying that we need to make a comment for this invoice why it is blank. So what we can do is down in the printable notes, we can now put in a reason as to why we wanted to do that. So we can say transaction cancelled by customer. And then that will always be saved with this invoice now. So let's click on save. And you'll see that we still have the invoice in our invoice modules, but you'll notice that there's no amount because we've now removed those transactions. So we can just open it up and just take a look, and we can see there's nothing within that. And then we can X out. Now you can keep this invoice in your invoices, or we can delete this one as well now. So by selecting it, going up to your toolbar, click on delete, it will now allow us to delete that invoice.